Poor Man's Chicken. Poor Man's Chicken recipe with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. Today, I'm going to be showing you this recipe. It is too fantastic. It is done by Chinese people, but you can try it however which part of country you are in. So, this chicken, we are going to grill it using soil, or you can grill it using clay, or you can grill it using sand. It depends. Anything you can use it. So you can use any type of chicken. You can use a turkey. You can use anything. So we need salt, reiko, turmeric, paprika, black pepper, cooking oil. You can use olive oil, anything of your choice. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for daily recipe updates and also turn on the notification bell. Another thing, don't learn alone. So we are going to get our foil paper. Then after getting our foil paper, if you have a young banana leaf, a young banana leaf, you can first put it before you put the chicken. A young banana leaf or the luombo leaf, you can first put it here. After putting the foil paper, you put the young banana leaf or the smoked banana leaf. Then after you put the chicken. After putting the chicken, you can salt it. After you season it or you salt it. The reason why you put that young banana leaf, we are looking for more flavor. Yeah, for more flavor. Then after putting the salt, we are going to put black pepper. After putting the salt, we are going to put black pepper. You spray all the chicken. Then after you're going to put chopped onions. You're going to put chopped onions. After you're going to apply spring onions. After that, you're going to apply spring onions. After spring onions, you're going to apply chopped garlic. After that, you're going to apply chopped garlic. After that, you're going to apply grated ginger. After that, you're going to apply chopped carrots. After chopped carrots, you're going to apply the chopped green pepper. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. After that, you're going to apply fresh coriander or dhania. After that, you're going to apply your chopped tomatoes. We are doing poor man's chicken the Chinese way. Then you're going to spray with turmeric. You're going to spray with turmeric. After spraying with turmeric, you're going to also spray with paprika. Then after that, you're going to apply reiko. But if you don't have, you have other spices, you can use other spices. Then after that, you're going to finish off with either olive oil or cooking oil or vegetable oil. Or you can melt some butter, Prestige margarine, or you can melt unsalted butter. You spray the chicken. I want you to comment which part of the country are you watching my video in. Which part of the country, your name and the part of the country, so that I can send greetings in my I can send you greetings in my next video. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. We are doing our chicken when you are going to use soil or sand or clay. Then after, make sure that the chicken is well spread. Make sure that it's well spread. Then you can put the banana leaf before you foil it. Then after that, you put like four foil papers. Put like 4 to 5 foil papers. 4 to 5 foil papers. Yeah, 4 to 5 foil papers. Make sure that you put enough foil paper. Yes, if you want to try this chicken. If you put one foil paper, trust me, you will not like it. So if you put one foil paper, don't try it at home. Make sure that you use 4 to 5 foil paper. Then you are going to get your sand or your soil or your clay. Yeah, collect your sand, collect your soil, or collect your clay. After collecting it, you apply water. You make it soft. You apply water. Yeah, you make it soft. Make sure that it is soft enough. After, you get any saucepan. You can get any used saucepan, or you can get any saucepan you have at home. Then put the soil. Then after that, put the chicken up with the foiled chicken. Then after that, you top it with what? With soil at the top. Top it with soil, top it with clay, top it with sand. Then after, you light your firewood or you light your charcoal stove. Then you put your saucepan. Make sure that you cook or you grill until you see that the soil or the sand or the clay is dry and it is broken. Make sure that it is dry totally. Don't ask me how many minutes. Make sure that it is dry totally, like you see it, and it has bring cracks. Make sure that it has bring cracks at the top. When it is dry and when you see that it has brought cracks, it means the chicken or the turkey or the duck, it is ready. So you can also use the duck. You can also do using the duck, or you can use a thigh or a leg of a goat or a sheep, anything. Then after, you're going to remove your dry soil or your dry clay or your dry sand. Yeah, remove your dry soil, your dry clay, or your dry sand. This is too amazing. It is called poor man's chicken. It is called poor man's chicken in Chinese way, but you can try it however which part of the country you're in. So I think you can see. So after, we are going to start removing our foil one by one. You remove your foil one by one. You remove your foil one by one. Another tip I added: don't forget, before you put, after putting the foil, before you put the chicken. Wow, just look at this. I am seeing some people, they want to enter my screen. I am seeing some people, they want to enter their phones, they want to enter their laptops, they want to enter their TV screens when seeing this chicken. So after putting the foil, before you put the chicken, first put the smoked banana leaf or the young banana leaf, then you put the chicken. Then after, before you wrap it, you also at the top put the banana leaf. Try this. The way you see it is the way you can do it, from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. So you can also try it at home. New viewers, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell.